seen a lot of pontoons in my life, and I haven't seen one like that.
I was amazed. I have never seen a boat designed like that.
I've never seen this in a pontoon.
And I thought, well, I need to drive this.
I saw that you actually stepped down into the boat. It kind of blew my mind.
Most pontoons, you got people in front of you sitting, you just absolutely can't see.
They're in your way. So I'm always either sitting up, I'm doing this, I'm doing this.
And with that, people sitting down like that, it's like driving a car.
You could have a whole group of people up there and you can see right over them.
One of the easiest boats I ever docked.
I thought it was a really nice ride.
I was amazed at how smooth it rides over rough water.
With that pan, it seemed to elevate the boat faster.
Getting up on plane was easy.
Pretty surprised how it cornered and turned.
It handled like a performance boat.
It's a combination between a speedboat and a pontoon boat, wrapped up in one.
I'm a rider, I am not a driver. It's very plush, very comfortable to sit in.
It's got some really big wells where you could put just about anything.
Lots of storage on the seat backs themselves, which I've never seen.
You can actually access it from the dock a lot easier too without having to get in the boat.
It is a boat more for comfort. I think the sound quality is better.
Because it's lower, I think it makes it easier for people to hear.
Or you can converse better with the driver in this boat.
You're more eye level with people that's standing on the sandbar if you're sitting in the boat. I'll be honest, something's got to look good to me too. And even from the outside, that's a good looking. It looks good.
It's definitely the sportiest looking rail system I've seen on a pontoon for sure.
The concept of being a little bit lower is amazing.
It felt like almost like I was closer to the water. Right, more like it was like down in almost a speedboat.
You've got the speed like a speedboat, and you've got the nice ride like a pontoon. You can lay out in the sun, socialize.
You can get the whole family in there, and you can still do all the things you can do with a speedboat.
In all honesty, I didn't find anything I didn't like about it.
I just thought it was really a cool concept.